Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a fragrance that is a staple among all the blue fragrances, and you will find this in the top 10 list of a lot of YouTubers and bloggers about summer and spring fragrances. Yes, we are talking about Nautica Voyage. This is the bottle. You might have at least smelled this fragrance or at least seen this fragrance somewhere or the other, or at least if not heard about it, because it has received a lot of love since its launch in 2006. This has been a signature scent for a lot of people over the years. So in this video today, let's see if this is going to be yours. So let's see the presentation. This is the box. It has a nice two-tone color to it with the Nautica logo over here on the side. All the information behind with the batch code and the barcode over here down. The name and concentration of the fragrance and the size of the bottle. This is an EDT concentration in 100 ml. So this is how the bottle looks like. You might have seen this bottle somewhere or the other. It's a nice glass bottle. This is the front. It's like shaped in semicircle. You get the tag over here down, and this is the cap. So this is a newer style bottle. So if you have an older style of bottle with a metal cap, and if you get the newer bottle like this with a plastic cap which comes out completely, don't be worried, it's not fake. This is how the new bottles come now. Let's see the sprayer. The sprayer is okay, it works well. It's nothing great, nothing extraordinary. The important thing is the juice inside. The juice is very nice, the fragrance is amazing. It has a green leafy accord with apple in the top, which mixes together really well to create like a watery, fresh, clean cucumber vibe. In the mid it has mimosa and lotus as a note, and in the base it has some musk, amber, oak moss and cedarwood. When you first spray this fragrance, this is going to put a smile on your face because it will immediately remind you of the sea. Okay, and this is because of that clean, fresh and the salty vibe that you get from the fragrance in the opening. The fragrance is very pleasant and relaxing. It has a nice green aquatic vibe in the opening. As the fragrance settles down, the cedarwood and the oak moss give it a very woody and a very calming vibe, with amber and musk giving it a very airy and a feel-good vibe to the fragrance. So there is another fragrance that smells very similar to this one. This is Ocean by Bath and Body Works. They smell awfully similar, especially in the opening. You can see even the juice color is the same. This is a beautiful fragrance, but the only problem with this is the performance is just not there in this one. So talking about performance, another reason other than the smell why this fragrance is loved by everyone is because of the way it performs. Okay, on my skin especially, the longevity I get indoors when I'm indoors is around 6 to 7 hours, and if I'm outdoors I get around 4 to 5 hours. Considering it being a blue fragrance, I think that's good performance. Definitely not a beast performer, but I can say it is above average. The performance is above average. In terms of projection, the projection is not that great. You get around 30 minutes to an hour tops with this fragrance, but this is a very intimate scent. When I say intimate scent, I mean that this is not going to fill up a room when you enter, but if you are in a close proximity to someone, they will definitely pick it up. In terms of versatility, I consider this to be a very versatile fragrance because you can wear this all year round. You can wear this during the day or during the night, but this will work beautifully during summers or hot days. And because this fragrance is so inoffensive and mass appealing, people pleasing, this will work very well as an office fragrance too. So for me, I think this is a very good fragrance at a very reasonable cost. This is one of those fragrances that you can, just pick it up, spray it on and move out of the house. You don't have to think much. It's a no-brainer because you can be rest assured that this is going to work and it's going to smell good all the time, and it has the potential to get you compliments. I know some of you are thinking that this is a bit dated now, it's a bit generic, it's a bit boring. I know a lot of you will say that this is a bit dated now, it's boring, it's generic, it's nothing exciting, but you can't deny the fact that this is a great smelling fragrance, okay? It has the potential to get you compliments, it has the performance, and it is available at a very reasonable cost. So in conclusion, this is great value for money. So talking about value for money, a 100 ml bottle in this EDT concentration will cost you 3050 rupees in India. That's around $40 US. Some of you will say that this is still expensive, but there are a lot of discounts available on this fragrance and all the other flankers of Nautica Voyage. And during the discounts, you can get these for around 1700 to 1800 rupees, I think, which is a very good deal for this fragrance. That is around 20-ish dollars, 1800 rupees, $20 for this fragrance is a good deal. And honestly, you can pick any one of them. They all smell really good. I'll put all the links down in the description. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, a sub would be highly appreciated. And if you love Nautica Voyage, or if there are any other fragrances that you would like me to check out, please let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to. So till then guys, stay safe. Smell you later. Namaste.